Any room is brighter with a touch of green, though unfortunately not every one of us is gifted when it comes to caring for plants. The Plant Guardian project aims to address this challenge by developing an automated system that ensures optimal plant care with minimal manual intervention. By combining robotic manipulation, soil moisture sensing, and smart decision making, the system provides a comprehensive solution for sowing seeds, monitoring plant growth, and managing irrigation. Additionally, the inclusion of features such as the Telegram alerts for water level monitoring enhances user engagement and provides timely feedback, ensuring that plants receive the care they need without requiring constant supervision. The motivation behind Plant Guardian stems from the desire to promote sustainable gardening practices while simplifying the process for users. Whether for individual households or small-scale farms, this system seeks to make plant care more efficient, accessible, and environmentally friendly. By leveraging automation, Plant Guardian not only reduces the workload on users, but also contributes to the broader goal of sustainable resource management.
Plant Guardian is powered by our very own tech unit. A few days ago, we've already seeded the plant and now it has already started growing. You see, we connected the moisture sensor to the plant and now we're able to measure continuously how moist the dirt actually is. This moisture sensor is connected to our Arduino. To the Arduino are also connected a LCD display and the rotary encoder. The LCD display has a neat little menu on it that allows us to manually seed the plant, water the plant, or also see the humidity. This enables us to manually engage with the plant and activate the robot arm. But how do we now connect to the robot arm? For this, we have connected the Raspberry Pi straight to the Arduino. The Raspberry Pi listens to the output of the Arduino, and based on the output, it calls for scripts that actually move the robot. This means if seeding is activated, it will start moving the robot to take the seeds and place them in the dirt. Additionally, there is also a script running continuously on the Raspberry Pi that monitors a Telegram bot. This enables us to monitor the plant from afar, and via some commands in the chat, we can seed the plant, water it, and also look at it via the webcam. So if we now go to the Telegram chat and seed the plant, it will automatically move the robot and capture the video of it, shorten it down to about 5 seconds, and sends it back to the user, so he will always know, or he will always be up to date on what the plant is doing at the moment.
Plant Guardian isn't just about automation. It's about creating a future where sustainable plant care is simple, efficient, and accessible to everyone. With Plant Guardian, the future of smart, sustainable gardening is here. Thank you for watching, and together, let's cultivate a greener tomorrow.